Oh yeah. Hey, nice to meet you. How you doing? You doing all right today?
Yeah, I'm
It's
alright.
it's a nice little place you got here. You got a little cough going on over there. What's wrong? What's going on with you?
Oh, I'm just a little sick.
A little sick, got a little cough. Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
what you doing for that cough? What you doing to fix that?
I'm just taking an antibiotic.
Little antibiotic. What is it? Which one is it? I know they prescribe different ones for different.
Azithromycin.
Azithromycin? Shit, I done heard that before, but I can't remember where. But anyway, how your weekend? You doing good on your weekend and everything? Everything go all right? You know?
Yeah, it's alright.
Well, that cough kind of bad, ain't it? What you doing? What you grabbing? What's
Still
that?
take another medicine my doctor prescribed.
Another medicine for what's that one for?
It's for my cough.
Another one for the same cough?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. So, what school your doctor go to? What medicine is that? Which one is that? What's that one called?
Let's see. Flagyl.
Flagyl. Azithromycin and flagyl.
It's for my cough.
You mean flagyl like the one that the metronidazole, the thing that they use for STDs? That same flagyl?
Yeah, but it could be used for cough too.
Oh,
My doctor
okay.
said.
Okay. You so pretty. Hey, I bought you something. I left it in the car. I'll be right back, okay? I'll be right back. Give me the fuck about this bitch sick than a motherfucker.